Welcome to our comprehensive guide on API 16C welding procedures and performance qualifications, tailored for welding professionals and engineers in the oil and gas industry. Today, we'll delve into the essential standards and practices that ensure compliance and safety in your operations. Let's begin by exploring API 16C, a critical standard for welding pressure-containing and pressure-controlling parts. Compliance with this standard not only ensures safety, but also optimizes performance and longevity of welded components. When it comes to welding procedures and performance qualifications, the guidelines are clear. For pressure-containing or pressure-controlling parts, adherence to the ASME BPVC Section 9 or an equivalent standard is mandatory. For structural non-pressure containing parts, AWSD 1.1 or similar standards are applicable. Hardness testing plays a pivotal role in the welding procedure qualification process. According to NACE MR 0175 ISO 15156 Part 2, it's crucial to test at specific locations to meet hardness acceptance criteria. Now, let's address impact testing, a vital component when specified by the base material. This involves extracting specimens from specific weld zones, both weld metal and the heat-affected zone. Following Annex H, or alternative guidelines, ensures that the welds meet the necessary toughness requirements. Throughout this guide, we've highlighted common challenges in meeting API 16C standards, offering solutions through detailed procedures and testing methods. By adhering to these guidelines, you can enhance the quality and safety of your welding projects, instilling confidence and ensuring compliance. Thank you for joining us in this informative session. For further assistance, please feel free to call us.